No, that's not one, Chase. Chase, that isn't one of them. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look out, look out. Alright guys, what's up? JackSpeed here. We're with Chase today. He is on the CRF 230. And we've been waiting to do this for a while. There's a road they're working on, like a construction site. And we're about to just go down it. There's a couple cool things on it. Been waiting to do this for like 2 months. We're just going to warm up the bikes around the backyard. We're also making another trail, so it should make for a good video. And hopefully you guys enjoy. So yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. He's getting good on that 230. And that's not an easy bike to wheelie either. Oh yeah, dude, look at him go. Oh yeah, there you go, Chase. Oh, get a bit sideways. No one cares, they think it's cool. New houses they're building up here. And the road like ends down here, it turns to one lane. Oh no, there's workers. They're still working on it. Well, I guess they're working on that part of the road. Hey, we're gonna turn around! I guess they're still not done with the entire road yet. Guys, they aren't even finished with this road. We couldn't get through the steamroller. No, follow me! Hey, wait, just follow me. No, that's not one, Chase. Chase, that isn't one of them. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look out, look out. Look out, look out. Yo. Whoa, oh my gosh. Dude, he almost wrecked. Oh my gosh. Yo, how did you not? Dude. Oh my gosh. Yo. Chase just sent it. That's such a far drop. That's like 20 feet. Yo. Oh my gosh! I can't get over that! Wait for this car, wait for this car. Dude, that could have ended so badly. You idiot! You could have just freaking snapped your neck! How'd you land that? Dude, I was trying to shout to you, dude, that's like a drop off there. I'm like, dude, I like knew there was like a tunnel there. And I'm like, oh crap, he's gone. I'm like, this isn't gonna end well. And I just see you go down and I see you come up the other side. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I got it on video. Were you scared?
Oh.
That's why.
I'm dead.
Like, you guys can't see it. I don't know. I'll check the footage. I can't see. But down there is a pipe. Like a tunnel. Like, he could have easily hit his back wheel on that. He would have went like head first down that crap.
Jumped it in midair. I saw the dip.
Yeah.
If I turned left, I would have went in sideways.
Yeah.
So I just said, I'm holding on for life. So as soon as I was in there, I was like, oh, I'm dead. The suspension's clapped, and I slammed down on my ankles.
Dude, like you guys do not understand. That's like a 20-foot drop.
Oh.
Dude, you could have, like, even if your back wheel, like, tapped that tunnel, you would have went head first. That could have ended so bad.
Let's not talk about that.
Alright, guys, Chase's leg, his left leg is, his ankle's pretty sore, but I mean, like, you guys can't tell on camera, I just looked at the footage, that's a far drop, so his leg's a bit sore, but we're still gonna ride a bit. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Dirt to Dirt. Today, we're gonna be doing a motovlog. Oh my gosh, dude, there's a police car, holy crap! Dude, police, oh my gosh, they're gonna chase us! We kind of made a trail through here. It's a small trail. I'll just leave it like that. Haven't cut anything yet. Uh-oh. This ain't good. Oof. Oh gosh, that needs a lot more cutting. That's pretty fun though. Woo! Alright guys, it is a few days later. Chase is gone, of course. The part with Chase ended kind of short, you know, no specific ending because he was just not feeling good, guys. Could not put any pressure on the ankle. Wasn't fun to ride, so we just kind of chilled out for the rest of the day. Even going to school, he had to like wear a boot or something, he told me. So hopefully Chase feels better. That's what happens when you go and jump things that you don't know where the landing is or what it's like. Anyways, besides that, I have a Q&A I'm doing. If you guys are still watching this up till now, please leave a comment down below asking a question or something, and I'll answer it when I hit 150 subs. So, yeah. Squirrel! Oh, what was that dude doing? Get a squirrel! I almost ran over him. There he is, he's up there. Oh, he's running far away. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later.